There are nearly 100 specifications for automotive leather interiors, many of which require punching for small and medium-sized parts.
The FAIT Machinery CNC punching machine can be used not only for leather ventilation holes on the back of the chair,
but also for punching holes in small parts such as armrests.
One production batch can be used to punch leather for multiple different parts.
The CNC punching machine can work stably and continuously for 72 hours without any failure.
It has a high degree of accuracy and flexibility to create the style you need on a variety of materials.
Whether it is a geometric pattern or a natural pattern. The CNC punching machine has a good adaptability, simple installation and debugging, and can be quickly integrated into a factory.
FAIT Machinery's products are constantly evolving to provide you with the most suitable products. Choose us to take your products to the next level.